Hey, Trade Hunter here from Steady Trades. I want to talk to you about something important. The difference between trading and investing. I think this is something that a lot of traders mix up all the time and that they don't understand, right? Because we have to consider the fact that most traders will never turn a profit, and if they do, they won't preserve it. And how could they preserve it better? By investing. So that is the number one thing I always tell people. We trade to make money. We build capital, right? We invest to preserve the money that we just made. So let's talk about how we trade, how we invest, some of the methods to this. When it comes to trading, we can trade stocks, we can trade options, we can trade crypto, Forex, we can trade anything. But it's typically short term. You follow the volume of the market or whatever you're trading and the volatility a lot more closely. And you consider the trend because you could trade to the upside or trade to the downside, right? And sometimes you have to be aware of reversal patterns or any other kind of market pattern, wedges, heads and shoulders, double tops, whatever it may be, because you're looking to try to figure out where the trend is going from where it is, right? You might have to know a lot more about certain technical analysis indicators, right? With investing, we can invest in the same thing, stocks, options, crypto, Forex, but we can also invest in other things like real estate and bonds, businesses, right? The difference is we're thinking long term. The trend typically is one direction. We're looking for appreciating assets, and we focus on fundamental analysis more than we do technical analysis. We're looking for that appreciation of whatever it is that we are investing in, right? We are considering the fact that the trend is always going to be upwards. That is what we're assuming, right? And if we look at this chart here of the overall market patterns, we've seen a lot of bull market periods and a lot of bear market periods. We've seen periods where back in the 30s, for 8 years, the market was down 83% from its highs. And then 13 years later, it's up 800% from that low. But overall, its annualized return just kept moving up no matter what. If you held your money from before that bear market period, you were still up. That's the point, right? Investing, you're always aiming up, right? So if you're a trader and you're a day trader and you trade options or whatever you trade, build that capital, but then invest it. Invest it into something that you think has a long-term positive trend. And this is how you're going to preserve that money rather than risk it. So I hope this helped you guys. This gave you a little bit of advice on the difference between trading and investing and how to utilize both. As always, reach out to us anytime on Discord or email us or leave a comment, drop a like. We're here for anything. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Happy trading.